The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a popular midsize SUV that has been in production since 1992. The latest version of the Grand Cherokee, which was introduced for the 2021 model year, features a number of updates and improvements over previous models. One of the biggest changes in the new Grand Cherokee is the availability of a new powertrain option, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV) system. This system pairs a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a 17.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The PHEV Grand Cherokee is expected to have an all-electric range of around 25 miles and to be able to travel on electricity alone at speeds of up to 84 miles per hour. The exterior design of the new Grand Cherokee is an evolution of the previous model with a more refined and sleek look. The interior has also been updated with new materials and technologies, including a larger infotainment screen and a digital gauge cluster. Safety features have also been added and updated, such as the blind spot monitoring system with cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a forward collision warning system with automatic emergency braking and parking assist. Additionally, Jeep has introduced a new high-performance variant of the Grand Cherokee called the Trackhawk. It is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces 707 horsepower and 645 pound-foot of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This gives the Trackhawk the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market today. Jeep has a long and rich history of making vehicles that are built for adventure, and the new Grand Cherokee looks to continue that tradition with its off-road capabilities, advanced technology, and new powertrains.